How to remove saved login info on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove saved login info on Insta. So let's get started. First, open up your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, just go to your profile. And after you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you're there, you will see your account, and under there you will see account center. Tap on it. Now, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. Now, after you're here on the account center, go to account settings, and there you will see password and security. Tap on it, and right there you will see saved logins. Tap on that and choose your account. After you choose your account, you will see that the option is turned on. Just turn this off and you'll have removed your saved login info on Insta. So that is basically it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment down below and I'll be sure to answer them.